Alright, well don't be an idiot like me because I forgot to put the cable through first. Oh man, I had to pull that thing back out. Might have to reheat it up again. Oh boy. Alright, so all said and done, this is about what it looks like. A pump hooked up to a piece of PEX, 3/8 PEX. I can plop it down in the bottom of a bucket like that. Give me 1 second here, and then kind of, there we go. Kind of do it like that, and boom, I got circulation and aeration of the water. So hopefully I can use this to kind of bubble and aerate the compost tea mixture. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so after we have a lift pump, we need a base water, which is RO water in my case. I'm going to put it into that bucket, and then I'll be adding an enzyme called Z7, which they advertise to manufacture teas nowadays. It used to not be on the label, but right there it says directions for tea manufacturing. I'm going to put that in the water, mix it in, and then we get our compost, which is nature's living soil for my case. There's a reason why that thing is within a plastic bag instead of a box. If you know, you know. Whew. These are pretty damn nice. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh. And there you have it. We're brewing some compost tea with nature's living soil, Z7, and some great white microbial fungi. Give that like 24 hours of bubbling, and she'll be pitch black and looking good, guys. Good food for them plants. Compost tea, you have to do it if you want some big ones. Until next time, growmies, keep growing. Gonna have to make an update on my hydroponic system here. So stay tuned, guys. There'll be plenty more coming your way.